Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8A and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Now let's tap on more settings and localize encryption and credentials. As you can see at the bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on delete all credentials and tap on delete. Here we have to confirm everything with our screen lock, so let's do it. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.